Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the fascinating world of super adsorbents and their game-changing role in water purification. Imagine you're at your favorite beach, but instead of clear blue water, it's murky and polluted. Not the best sight, right? Well, that's where super adsorbents come into play. These aren't your average materials. They have an incredible ability to clean up our water, pulling out pollutants like a super magnet. So, what exactly are super adsorbents? They are materials designed to capture and hold on to substances at the molecular level. They can soak up over 1,000 times their weight in pollutants, from heavy metals to harmful chemicals. Think of them as the superheroes of the material world, fighting against water pollution. Now, why is this important? Clean water is a fundamental human need, and yet it's becoming increasingly scarce. With industrial waste and agricultural runoff, our water bodies are under constant threat. Super adsorbents offer a promising solution to this pressing issue. Here's how it works. These materials are placed in water contaminated with undesirable particles. Thanks to their massive internal surface area and unique chemical properties, super adsorbents bind these pollutants. The result? Clean, safe water that can be returned to nature or used for agriculture and drinking. The best part? This process is not only highly effective but also environmentally friendly. Unlike some conventional methods that use harmful chemicals, super adsorbents clean water without leaving any toxic residues. It's a win-win for us and the planet. Now, you might be wondering, where can we use this technology? The applications are vast. From industrial wastewater treatment plants to small-scale water purifiers in rural communities, super adsorbents are making waves everywhere. They're even being integrated into environmental cleanup projects like oil spill recovery. This breakthrough is not just about cleaner water. It represents a key advancement in our ability to sustainably manage our natural resources. By harnessing the power of super adsorbents, we're stepping closer to a future where clean water is accessible to everyone, everywhere. Thanks for tuning in. If you're as fascinated by this technology as I am, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome science content. And remember, staying informed is the first step towards a healthier planet. See you next time.